Yes, Aya, yes, Aya. Yeah, man, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, man. I want new location this morning. First me I come and say, you know. First me I come and say. Yeah, man, and the reason why I did me think I said this morning, you know. Because right now, my head chip again, you know. My head chip in such a way, you know. Well, cycle, you know. A cycle bunny me roll out in this morning. Cycle bunny. Me roll out in this morning because my head chip. Yeah, man. So, as I say, I just introduce myself this way. I'm going to take the camera now and talk something about yourself. I'm going to express my feelings about yourself. Yeah, man. So I'm going to come. Yeah. You see it? Because I say yes or no. Come tell you something, people. Come tell you something about yes or no. You see a picture of yes, of this, you know. I circulate on social media, you know. Yeah, man. I'm the one who know how we about the place yesterday. And people are telling me, say, boy, I down the side, I said there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So last week, we come down last week, Thursday, Friday, and see. And I say, boy, I have to come do build a content about yourself. So all Falmoutians around the world, you understand me? I have video making you see what take place out of Bowgate or so. Yeah, man. That's the name Bowgate. Yeah, man. So, as I say, yeah, man. Yeah. When I make a truck pass. You say set up. When they see this someone and I make some inquiry. And my brethren, I try to find out how much it costs for all this, for done. And I get to understand about 25 million them spending, you know. Because everything nowadays at 25 million them talk about, you know. Because the shelter and the dropping center from Falmouth Youth Center at 25 million each. So 50 million that. Yes. And my point of view now, people. I have nothing against against them against this, you know. Yeah, man. I have nothing in a way. Because it tell you about the history of Falmouth and so forth. But what I say, people, all the money they spend down so. Yeah, man. Because people go all the come here some more than so. I say people don't go stop and check out certain things, you know. All the money, all the millions they spend down so, brother. I try to impress and try to get a talk about Falmouth. You know, see it? And my argument is, you know, see it? Bring the priority lies. We don't even put on the priority sometimes, not sometimes. Yeah, man. We don't even put in the priorities, you know, see it, toward the people in Falmouth. Yeah, man. Yes. Falmouth is a booming tourism here right now. Because this is all about tourism, you know. Yeah. Because I see them did set up bandstand, you know. I see them then they set up bandstand, you know. No bandstand have turned out to be Pampas stand. Because pay Pampas of a bandstand, brother. You know, see it? Yeah, man. I pay Pampas their bandstand. Bandstand and take care of them neglect bandstand. Yeah, man. They not busy about bandstand again. That's why me showcase bandstand In my last two content, you know, I talk about bandstand, you know. The famous bandstand where Miss Lose the performance run at the first entertainment park of Falmouth. Because this is coming like they want to turn us in one park, you know. Where people can come sit down and take pictures and all and so and then have picnic, you know. Eh? But what about the kids in Falmouth? What about the little kids in Falmouth? You know, see it? Bandstand and Yoya Park. Yoya Rural Park. You know, see it? The 25 million on the spending or so. Where people will hardly come. You know, see it? And come in and talk long, you know. You know, see it? And park. Yoya Park. You know, see it? And bandstand. You know, one disgraceful condition for much years now. Yeah, man. What take out my dark glass? Come and read through this, you know. And to tell the history of Falmouth, you know. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Falmouth of the tell me about the Falmouth used to export sugar, you know, and molasses and rum. Yeah, man, to the world. It tell all the historical thing about Falmouth. Yeah, man. History of Falmouth. This is Caan Street. This is Courthouse. This is Market Street. Yes, a water wheel. Yeah, man. Because the water wheel sitting there. And the world famous Paris Church. Yeah, man. They can put everything you're saying about Falmouth, you know. But when I read about the things, historical places in Falmouth, partner mention none at all. You or your partner mention none at all. You or your rural part no mention none at all. Barrack School mention none at all. The history of Falmouth, the places where the people really grew up in. The early school days life. Yeah, man, the early sporting activities, the early the entertainment things them don't they not make the world nobody sitting there. Yes. And most of the slave master building like all Paris Church and all them sitting there and all, yeah, man. You know, see it? Because out of Paris Church, them have signed to tell you the history of Paris Church, Baptist Church same way, I be say Courthouse same way. You know, see it? And some look out of Falmouth. But nothing at all about your park, brother. Nothing at all about park. And bandstand. Yes. Because them a thing, because tell the truth, you know. You know, see it? Them a thing, they showcase the place, you know. But when you put in the interest in the people in Falmouth, the kids in Falmouth, because it's coming like say, as far as I'm concerned, the biggest ship them in the world are come to Falmouth. And if people don't have contact with the people that sell craft, if the tour guide them and carry on the tourists them, and the tour bus man them now carry on the tourists them, you know, see it, the ordinary people in Falmouth now benefit half of the something there. Half of what going on Falmouth right now. They now benefit. You know, see it. Nothing now trickle back to the ordinary Falmouth people them. You have to have contact. Yeah, man, you have to have contact with something there. Yeah, man. You have to have contact. Direct contact with the shipping people in Panalevus. You see benefit. You know, see it? Look how bandstand stay. Look how bandstand stay, brother. Eh? As your bandstand is stay like you say now, with the palm tree. You see palm tree in plant up. As your bandstand start out, you know. It really look nice, you know. Because with the wedding photo shoot a bandstand, you know. You know, see it? Because as I say, you know, see it? Yeah, man. As I say, at 2011, the shit them start coming. And about 2012, 2013, 14, bandstand is set up nice. So when the tourists come a Falmouth, then can just relax over bandstand and all them sitting. And have all picnic and all them sitting. But through the tourists them now use now to really go over the bandstand there. They just neglect bandstand, brother. Before they use the money now and renovate bandstand for the kids them a Falmouth. Put in some things so they can play. So they can, like at a Sunday time, parents can carry them kids to bandstand and they can have some play stuff for them. Some gold card things, some bunks about and all them sitting there. A person have to wait until they keep them birthday party. They can up and down in a bunks about and all them sitting there. In the seat. Then she set up bandstand for the children of Falmouth. And park. And park same way. Yeah, man. Because right now, I know Bag School Sports are next week, Friday. No, next week, not Friday or Good Friday, but next week, Tuesday, Wednesday. And Bag School now on totally shame and disgrace condition. And look, it takes 25 million and do. Look, it take 25 million and do right now. People go hard to come here, so. And the children of Falmouth don't have a proper playground. But they can only pan down pan. Over a year now, yeah, man, the children of Falmouth don't play upon a football field. Barrack School putting them don't play upon a football field. A full-length grassy football field. And they're going to take 25 million and do. They're going to take them thing of it something, man. You see them thing, brother? Them thing have to do when time Falmouth alright. When Falmouth look pretty up and look nice, only can put up them thing, brother. Only can take 25 million. Only can take 25 million. They put up them thing. And the kids in Falmouth don't have no playground. 1 hour they can take 25 million. Only can take 25 million. Put up them thing, brother. And the children of Falmouth don't know how to play. The children of Falmouth don't have no playground. Can we show it over and we show it over and over. Bandstand full of pure Pampas. A pure Pampas there bandstand. Bandstand is so in a one disgraceful condition. But they set up bandstand just like this, you know. To attract tourists, you know. And on tourists not go there, sir. Because them thing in a fancy tourists, you know. Tourists now come on them party, you know. But you need to respect, when you take 25 million and spend so. See, when you take 50 million and spend per cent and put up foolishness per cent of property. You know, see it? Foolishness put per cent of property. And nobody not talk about it. And me alone not chat about it. Yes. So me alone come talk about it, so. Look how quick it's set up. In less than a month, look here, all bridge and all and something to put up. Because I pass through here, so when I pass here, so you know, because I travel to Mobile a while and when I go to Hochi and all, when I go to Senti. When I go to Mobile, I just see me travel. Yeah. And January, yes, I never see it to January, you know. Yes, I never see it to January, you know. Not even February neither, you know. And March alone, you take and sit the best of. 1 month, you take and sit the best of. 1 month, you take and put up this here. You know, see it? And 2 months ago, me cut Parkfield. And I know Parkfield can't mark up for the pit of them, for play pan. But you take 25 million for yourself. When nobody now come here, so. Nobody now come here, so, because anybody want. Because all they put us, you know. We don't have a 2 part them have, you know. See 1 more so and 1 more so. All when they put us so, people can Google it and read about it. You know, see it? Yeah, man. On the internet. Anything you want, you can Google it. Yes. Yeah, man. You should be ashamed on yourself. Let me talk about it now. You should be ashamed on yourself, brother. I dem not take taxpayers' money though. You don't even take taxpayers' money and clean up bandstand. Clean up the bandstand. Yes. Take taxpayers' money and pay the worker man them and so forth. Yeah, man. And clean out the Pampas them half a bandstand. It's a shame and disgrace. If you know the children them have. We go sign off now. Because almost 20 minutes. I mean, I'm chat for too long. You know, see? Look at the place now. This is going to cost more than 25 million. It will cost more than 25 million. I see me when you start up bandstand put in and look good enough. Look good enough. I see me last year over the cut all park field everywhere. And plant everything down there. And it look good. Last year January before the local government election. Me say man, boy, the place looks so nice. And because she lose, yeah man, she no business about it again. She no business about it. It on forest. And me make a cut. That's why I can't stay now. And now you take 25 million in a seat and go and spin us up. And the children of Falmouth don't have a playground to play upon. Other day, I pass park, but now the 2 o'clock bell, school never look over yet. When I look over, the kids them over there, some look something there. Grade 1 and grade 2 kids. Picnic. And then teacher. A play over park. You see, in the disgraceful condition with the grass and all and sitting there. I mean, I have to shake me and say, boy, Jaja, imagine. Women are grade 1 and grade 2 at Bayok School. About 50 years ago, that you know. About 50 to 53 years ago, you know. About 50 to 53 years ago. Parkfield. When they are Bayok School, Parkfield in a better condition than now. Them time in 1975, them time there. 75, 72, about 72, 73. You know, see? All through the 70s. Because I left Bayok School in 1979. About 46 years ago, I left Bayok School. When I was 13 years old. So when I was 10 years old, I left Bayok School, and 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 years old, I left Bayok School. About 1972 then time then, we started at Bayok School at 71. And Bayok School look better than now, from at all age, look better than how it stay now. Far better. Disgraceful condition. 50 years ago that. Bandstand, because the bandstand is the play. Bandstand is the one upon down and play. And bandstand and the playground look far better than how it look now. I want to do to Falmouth. The biggest shit that come to Falmouth, because this is all about tourism. And a disgraceful condition Falmouth in. When you put up them sitting here. Yeah. I speak about it, you know. Because I'm not going to destroy nothing, you know. I speak about it, man. Same thing I do to them place. Falmouth need for same thing we do at Falmouth. Bandstand, if you start out back, them Pampas and them come off a bandstand full of pure Pampas and all them sit and pure garbage. And I take 25 million spend on them sitting here. And the children of Falmouth, don't have a playground. They play sports pan and they don't have a playground so they can entertain themselves. I go sign out and know, brother. 20 minutes gone, you know. I don't want to make me think too long, you know. You know see? Because I want a 20. Yeah man. A 20 minutes gone. I mean I want to speak too long. No need for the things right there so the playgrounds in my fall to want sort out. The kids in now don't come for play upon. Shame and disgrace will condition the place stay. Only spend 25 million dollars or so. And that me I talk about, brother. 50 years ago and 55 years ago, farm look better than yes, brother. Actually, it grieve me, I agree with me in such a way. That's why. Talk about it, brother. Okay, I look at the I don't put the money for my thing, but I make you talk. I talk a lot, you know. From a town north, this when this look nice, you know. This look nice, you know. This look good, you know. But the town itself, this look same like on the place. The town clean up. No, you say I choice them come. Yeah. I want to see if you go and look around there. You know, look good, man. You not tell no lie. Sometimes I'll tell you, brother. You understand me? Sometimes I can't get people opinion. Because sometimes I don't want. Then I tell them, man, look when I take taxpayers' money, brother. Look when I take the taxpayers' money, though. And from a town dirty. See the man say the man, from a town dirty. From a town dirty. And look when I take your money, though. And neglect the people in my farm out. When I this farm of people, let me know, brother. Eh? Me know a tourist board, Billy. I see my tourist board, if you set up farm out, see me. Government, they can't build the government, the general. They can't build the government. They might reap much money and farm out and put nothing back in a farm out. So no matter who Billy, government sanctioning. Government should not tell the tourist board, say, you sort out the playgrounds them, brother. I'm not sign off for now. I really a sign off for now, brother. I really a sign off for now. Because Jaja, you know, see, it's sad for you know, 50 years I left bike school and bandstand. I left bike school and park and bandstand and 50 years bandstand and park. You know, see, let me tell you, bike school and park in a disgraceful condition. Disgraceful condition. In a seat. Yeah, man. Because I never seen no historical thing. Nothing mention about bike school and nothing mention about park. Always Parish Church, everywhere you talk about. You don't talk about bike school. All the people must go. Because I say not sell out bike school too, you know. I say bike school for go 1 mile, you know. For the man to be stretched there, you know. Bike school for move, you know. And a cycles, you know. Because the Royal Caribbean people then buy out bike school from bike school, go straight down to examination depot. And the fishing village people need to move again. That's why we are here. I'm going to sign out now still, you know. 23 minutes. Never talk, brother. On all the history they write us about, from what I want to develop place from a long time. This is a thing about all the pipe water and all them sitting there. They are Falmouth and I mean I close by saying, yes, Mr. B. We can't see when you say boy, because of the shit them to come here. They carry sugar all over the world. That's why PGA them bring back the thing and make ships start coming again. Come back here. And a sugar ship, you know. A tourist are coming now. Back in the days, because I never see no ship I'm the one for it, you know. Women small, you know. But me live to come see the tourists them ship now coming right now. And people, it was PJ Potting's idea. Falmouth Pier was PJ Potting's idea. The same PJ Potting's what people say never do not at all for Jamaica. Falmouth Pier in the city was PJ Potting's idea. The Trell Multipurpose Stadium built by PJ Potterson. Holland High School built by PJ. Yake Premier Infant built by PJ. Yes. Yeah, man. So Falmouth Police Station built by Porsche. Falmouth Fire Station built by Porsche. Yes. Falmouth Hospital, we're not going to have a massive renovation by Porsche. Only thing I say is the People's National Party have done a lot for Trelawney. The People's National Party have done a lot for Trelawney. So if you look at roads, they're Tova sort out. Respect to Tova. But when Tova come talk about Falmouth of Fiend Town, Falmouth belongs to the people. Falmouth Town belongs to the people of Falmouth. Falmouth is the strongest PMP in the seat. PMP area in Jamaica. That's why Jabi tell me say, yes, a socialism. Yes, a Michael Manley start socialism. When Michael Manley started socialism, a Falmouth started, Falmouth Town. That's why Falmouth Town is love. That's why Falmouth people them love Michael Manley. All them do is sell up Michael Manley, brother. I mean, I'll talk long. That's why some friends tell me, say, man, we ever talk about Michael Manley, because every time I talk about a Michael Manley started, we talk it over and over. We have to just continue to fight for people them. Because they don't do nothing at all for the ordinary people of Falmouth. If for the tourism people in Billasa, they don't do nothing at all. Park and bandstand in one disgraceful condition. Only if you clean out the Pampas them have a bandstand, brother. Because bandstand turn Pampas stand. Clean out the Pampas them half a bandstand before they can build them sitting here. Yeah, man. I close by saying only if you clean out the Pampas them half a bandstand before they can build them sitting here. You should be ashamed on yourself. Shame on yourself, you know. The kids in my Falmouth all school after they went up in a garbage. And look how they so stay. Only spend 25 million down so. 25 million spend down so. Because I pay 25 million spend, you know. You don't spend more than 25 million. Because look how quick it done. And park and bandstand in one disgraceful condition. For the children of Falmouth. For the Pinat Mention Center, I talk Barrack School and bandstand in one disgraceful condition. So the Jamaica Tourist Board, we don't even clean off the Pampas them off a bandstand. Because I see him to the bandstand, use the bandstand, you know. Pretty up bandstand, you know. And because tourists now go there, we don't neglect bandstand. It's a shame and disgrace. The Jamaica Tourist Board and the government of Jamaica. Clean up bandstand for it. Take out the Pampas them off a bandstand before they can beautify them part of so. Yes. As I say, I don't pass half an hour. I got Falmouth off from Bay Beach now. But cool off my head. Because my head chip again. Cool off my brain right now. I'm not too damn wicked, man. I'm not too wicked. When I root the money out of Falmouth, and Falmouth children don't see nothing out of the money. Nothing they don't see them. The people don't benefit from the money when I reap out of Falmouth. I tell you, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yes. Michael Manley putting a chud out there now. Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Michael Manley putting a chud out there now. This is not have the politics now. This has to deal with the people of Jamaica. The children of Jamaica. The non-playground, the non, yes. And it's all going to build on them part of so. Spend the 25 million for the kids them. Make them happy and comfortable. 25 million we spend for the people them. You should be ashamed of yourself. Bandstand full of pay Pampas. And look how they're going to look now. Eh? Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Michael Manley putting a chud out now. Yes, Aya. I got beach now. Yeah.